Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cache app and expected error occur. Please try again later. If you are having this kind of error, then if you want to fix that error, then how you can fix that. So first of all, I will tell you how you can fix that error. For this you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to iPhone storage and you have to simply go to cache app, and after that you have to simply offload the app. And if you are using Android device, you have to simply go to app info, and after that first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to simply go to storage and cache, and you have to simply clear the storage and cache. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to check whether your network connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you have to check it is working properly or not, and you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. And if you are using a cellular network connection, then what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the flight mode, and after that you have to turn off again, which means you have to simply restart your connection. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply reset your network connections. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to app store or Play Store if you are using Android device, and you have to check whether it is showing search for cache app and check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the cache app, because many problems are fixed by the updated version of the cache app. After updating the cache app, if the problem is still there, what you have to check whether you have not connected to any VPN, and if you are using VPN, then you have to must turn off the VPN connection, and after that you have to check whether problem has been solved or not. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.